Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to see Instagram account login activities. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can see your Instagram account activities. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root your device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter a location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now this works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the phone that you are using. All you need to do is to open your Instagram. Now once you open your Instagram, you can see down here your profile. Just click on that. Now once you click on your profile, at the upper right corner you can see 3 lines over there. Just click on that and then click on settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, the first option says account center. Just click on account center, and once you click on account center you can see password and security. Just click on that. Now once you click on that, you can see under security checks, you can see where you are logged in. Just click on that and then select your Instagram account. Now once you click on your Instagram account, you can see all the devices that I have logged into my account with, and you can see the location and all that, the location of the devices. You can see my iPhone and all that. So with this you can see your Instagram account login activity, and if you want to log out, you can see select devices to log out. So if you want to log out, you can log these devices out in order to secure your Instagram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video